Roposo is a social commerce platform that allows sellers to showcase and sell their products. If you want to integrate Roposo with Shopify, follow these steps. Sign up for Roposo. Visit Roposo's Seller Hub. Click Sign Up and enter your business details. Complete the verification and set up your store. Set up your Shopify store. Log into your Shopify admin panel. Ensure your product has products listed with proper descriptions and pricing. Go to Settings, Apps and Sales Channels and search for Roposo integration apps. Connect Shopify to Roposo. If Roposo provides a Shopify API integration, copy your Shopify API key from Settings, Apps, Develop Apps. Enter the API key in your Roposo seller account under Integration Settings. If no direct integration exists, you may need to manually upload products to Roposo or use a third-party automation tool like Zapier. Sync and start selling. Once connected, your Shopify products will sync with Roposo. Manage orders and inventory directly from Shopify.